Hello children, today we are going to study the 7th lesson of your English 2, that is Rabbit's Turnip. Okay, Rabbit's Turnip. So you all open page number 58. Okay, Rabbit's Turnip, children. This story is a folk tale. Okay, and in this story the characters, through the kind characters, this story is telling the importance of sharing, importance of kindness, and importance of friendship. Okay, so this is a very cute and nice story, and I'm sure you will love this reading this story. So Rabbit's Turnip. Now, what do you mean by turnip? So children, in Hindi we call turnip as shaljam. Okay, it's a kind of vegetable, shaljam. So there are different animals, and we find that how these animals are very kind and in nature, and how they are so generous in helping their friends. And how do they help? Let's find out. It was winter. Rabbit was hopping about in a field. He was looking for something to eat. It is going to snow soon, Rabbit said to himself. I have to find some food. So he pawed through the field till he found a turnip. Then he found a second one. He took the turnips and hurried home. So children, the story is beginning as it was winter. So why it is beginning like this? Because children, in winter it is very difficult for animals to find food, because the weather is so cold and there is so snow outside. So it is very difficult for animals to walk in snow and find out food for themselves. So in this winter the rabbit was hopping. Hopping means jumping. Okay, jumping in a field to find food. He was looking for something to eat, was finding his food. It is going to snow soon. So he was like worried that oh, it is about to snow and till now I haven't found anything to eat. So I have to find some food. So he has to hurry. So he pawed. Paw means children panja. Okay, and pawed through the field means what? Digging. Through his paws he was digging the snow, because snow, when snow is there, there's means a deep this thing, you can dig it, then only you can walk. So he was digging with his paws through the field till he found a turnip. So he was searching, and then what did he find? He found a turnip, that is shaljam. And he found the second turnip, means he found 2 turnips for himself, and he was very happy. So he took the turnips and hurried home. Hurried means he quickly moved to his home, because it is about to snow. Soon Rabbit was warm, safe and happy. Then he thought about Donkey. Donkey lived alone on a hill. I wonder if Donkey has any food, said Rabbit. I have 2 turnips. I will give one to her. So Rabbit was means warm and safe and happy now, because he was Rabbit was back to his home. So he was feeling very warm and happy because he has come home in time. And then started thinking about Donkey. Why? Because he thought that Donkey lives on a hill all alone. So how he would go out and find the food? Also I have this. Means I have 2 turnips, so I will go and give 1 turnip to my friend. See, he's so kind, he's so thoughtful about his friend. So Rabbit slowly rolled the turnip up the hill to Donkey's house. Donkey was not at home. It was snowing. So Rabbit left the turnip by the door and hopped back home. So when Rabbit reached to Donkey's house, he found that Donkey was not there. And it was already snowing, and then Donkey was already out in search of food. So he thought that okay, it is snowing, I will not wait here, I will leave this turnip. So when Donkey will come back, he will find his food. And then he went back to his home, Rabbit. After some time, Donkey returned home. She had found a potato for herself. She saw the turnip by the door. What a lovely surprise, said Donkey. But my potato is enough for me. Goats always hungry. I should take this to home. So when donkey returned home, she has already found potato for herself, and she was very happy to see that there is a turnip left on her door. But then she thought that, but I have got food for myself, so why not then let's give this turnip to goat, because she is hungry and she is so weak, so she is not able to go out and find food, so I will give this turnip to my friend goat. See, she's also this donkey is also very kind. Donkey trotted to goat's house. Trotted means moving fast, because it was already snowing, no, so they were in hurry to goat's house, but he was not there. So donkey left the turnip by the door and went back home. And when donkey reached the goat's home, goat was also outside in search of food. So donkey left the turnip in front of goat's door, and he also moved back to his home. Soon, goat returned home with the cabbage. Cabbage means, children, patta gobi, that you call in English, in Hindi, okay, and the vegetable. Soon, goat returned home with the cabbage. He saw the turnip by the door. Dear me, said goat, someone has lost a turnip. It must be dear. When she passed this way, I should return this to her. Now, goat, when she came back, she also had food for herself. She found cabbage for herself, okay, and when she returned home, she saw that, oh God, there is turnip at my home, and this must be some other animal's food, and by mistake deer must have left, because deer was just walking by this place and she must have dropped this cabbage by mistake on my door, so I should return this to my friend deer. So she's also so thoughtful. Goat then rolled the turnip to deer's house, but deer was not there. So goat left the turnip by the door and went back home. So similarly, goat also went to deer's house, but similarly deer was also not at home. The deer was also out in search of food. So goat left the turnip at goat's door, and then he also went back to his home. Deer came home with a carrot she had found. She saw the turnip. How kind! Someone's left me a gift, said deer. But there is no need to keep more than I can eat. There is so much snow. I wonder if rabbit was able to find any food at all. I'll give this to him. Now see, deer, when deer came home, she means she had a carrot. Carrot means gajar, okay. She had a carrot that she had found for herself. So when she saw turnip, she was very happy. Oh God, there's again a gift, surprise gift for me, and somebody has left this. But then she thought that I have got this carrot for me, and I should not keep food more than what I want. So she thought of rabbit, and she thought that I don't know whether rabbit has got any food or not. So I think I should give this turnip to rabbit. Now see, rabbit only started giving this turnip to all the means passing on and on and on, and now it is coming back to rabbit only. Deer walked carefully through the deep, deep snow. Rabbit was at home, but he was asleep. So deer left the turnip by the door and then trudged back home. Trudge means again moving with difficulty. So when deer reached rabbit's home, rabbit was at home, but he was sleeping. So deer left this turnip on the door, and then he moved back to his home. She moved back to home. The next morning, rabbit woke up early. He opened the door, and what did he see? He saw the turnip lying by the door. Now, has this come back to me? Exclaimed rabbit. Now the next morning, when this rabbit opened the door, he was surprised to see the same turnip lying in front of his door, and exclaimed means saying something with surprise, happiness, you can say. So he was surprised to see that my rabbit has come back to me only. So children, this story, the animals care for their friends and how generous they are. This is shown beautifully in this story, the rabbit's turnip. So I hope you have enjoyed this story, children. So read this story at least 2-3 times and also learn all the word meanings which is given in this story. Okay, thank you.